Good morning, Ben.
Good morning.
What is your group doing?
Well, we're all doing kind of like different things. Like all of our groups kind of like combine into little small groups. My little group is with 3 people. Is gonna do Disney princesses and princes.
What's your theme?
Theme is like Garden Tinkerbell.
It's just gonna be Tinkerbell and her friends, and then plants and nature and stuff.
Minions was originally ruled out. What made you guys pick Minions?
We did a vote, and Minions was the best one that everybody wanted.
How do you think you'll create Minion cupcakes that look different than each other if they all look the same?
I think we'll do some with one eye and some with 2 eyes, and then there's that one Minion with like a blue eye and a green eye, so maybe we'll do like some with like different colored eyes.
What are you most looking out for?
Well, I'm looking for neatness, something that actually looks like the theme that they were going for.
What theme so far really piques your interest?
Minions.
And
Very
why?
strong about them. I was very strong about them. I loved the Rise of the movie. It was really amazing.
Hello, everybody, and we are now ready for our 4th edition of Cupcake Wars, exclusive here on TCLR TV 17. All right, contestants, today we will be baking cupcakes, and your cupcakes shall be judged in 3 different criteria. First, the taste of your cupcake. Secondly, the presentation of your cupcake. And thirdly, how well you interpret the theme of your cupcake. Remember what your themes are.
Cartoon characters or animated characters.
Cartoon characters. Your judges for this competition shall be Maggie, Judge Maggie, Judge Ashley, and Judge Aiden. Who's Judge Aiden? Oh, right, I'm sorry, you meant Princess Applebottom or whatever. Our first step today shall be our final brainstorming of our cupcakes. All right, are you ready to start the final draft of your cupcakes before you get ready to bake?
Sure. Yes. Yes.
What is your group planning to make?
Vanilla rainbow sprinkle batter.
Vanilla rainbow sprinkle batter. And what do you expect to do on top of this rainbow sprinkle batter, Chef Julia?
We are going to put rocks and cheese in like a little garden.
Ah, that sounds delicious. I personally, as a judge, love to eat rocks. Tell us, Chef, what is your name and what is your group?
My name is Alice, and our group is group 2. So we're thinking maybe we're gonna try to think of is like yellow vanilla cupcakes to make it look like bananas because Minions do love bananas.
It is true, Minions do love bananas. That is a wonderful plan. How do you plan on executing that?
I don't know, but I think God bless it goes well.
So, what have you decided as the flavor of your cupcake?
Our group is gonna make vanilla confetti cake.
And why did you pick vanilla confetti cake?
We all voted vanilla or chocolate, and vanilla won. And we figured since vanilla is like the lighter color, we could like dye the batter so it could be like different colors.
Come on, Rose, you got it.
Okay.
Oh my God, you're right.
Let's see these egg cracking skills.
Wash your hands.
Let's see what happens.
The eggs aren't looking out. Cracked it. Only some supposed to do the egg whites, and we completely destroyed it. And now Macy has to wash her hands because she put the whole egg yolk in her hand. Seriously! Seriously!
Group is stacking things right now. Come on, bakers. We need to get started baking. Good job, Emma.
So I pour the whole thing in. That was
Hello!
I don't know. What did the directions say on the box?
Hello!
Troubles in group 3 as we forget how to make cupcakes.
Whoa, look at Maddie.
You're better.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
I put in the sprinkles!
Hello again, Chef Oliver. Tell me how
Team Green is doing very well. Julia, do you think you're gonna win?
Chef Harvey, tell me.
Yes. And why do you think you're gonna win?
Because there's like a lot of people that know what they're doing and it seems like they know how to do it.
Good job.
Interesting. That is very, very cool.
Over there, Matt, Harvey, and Abby are smashing lollipops.
That's now about a little bit more. Oh my god. We're just separating the egg white. There you go, Caroline. Oh yeah.
Back and forth. There you go. It's okay. Very good job, Caroline. That was nice.
Put that in there.
All right,
I
and the rest
don't think you got any
The rest
shell
in
in
here.
there.
In here. Good job.
It would really be helpful if we had a wish.
That's glitter?
Another sprinkles.
It's so pretty. Are you adding that to your cupcake?
Yeah, we're putting it in the mix.
Oh, to make your minions very sparkly?
And you guys are gonna
Yes, Chef Smith.
do an attitude.
How are you doing today? Are you enjoying cooking yet? How about now? How about now? What about, wait for it, now? Now are you enjoying yourself?
How is the cupcake keeping going?
It's okay. Guys.
Is everything going well in your cupcake making process?
Yes.
Hello, Chef Katie.
Hello.
How is the cupcake looking?
Good. They're looking real good.
Nice.
We're doing vanilla. No, we're not. We're doing confetti cake, though.
You've been planning.
Come on, Rose, you got it. Hi, Miss Maggie.
Hi there. How are you? I'm excited to try them all. I don't know a lot of details yet, but I can't wait to hear them. There's a Minion cupcake going around over at Group 2, the yellow table, so I'm excited for that one. But they all sound great. But I gotta run.
See ya. 20 minutes. Yes. No, I need to see this in oven.
What happened to the cupcakes,
We
Clara?
failed them. We did not fail them.
Hi, what's up? What are you doing? Talk to me.
Putting the icing on so we can make them colors that nobody wants to do.
Yummy! Exactly. Yummy!
Did it go well?
Yeah, they're in the oven.
Nice! Looks like you're the first one to have them in the oven.
Chef Lucy, tell me, what is your group making?
So we're in trios, partners, and boring.
I see. What is your group theme?
So it's me, my sister, and we're doing SpongeBob and Patrick.
SpongeBob and Patrick. Nautical classic, if I may say so myself. Tell me, how's it going?
It's going good. We each took turns adding ingredients, stirring, mixing.
Looks like your group has excellent teamwork. We're so excited to see how your cupcakes turn out.
We are very excited to see how her cupcakes turn out. Keep watching after these commercial messages.
Get your veg sticks. Get your veggie sticks. They're healthy and they're veggies and your sticks.
I love these old little things. They are my hats. Not just any hat. My chef hat.
Little whites are delicious.
Yes,
Get
Chef
your
Oliver.
homemade aprons from nasty old parent shirts.
yellow.
It looks so nice.
And yummy.
And
then we're
Don't eat it, don't eat it, don't eat it. Alright, Chef Maddie, why are you making backgrounds?
We're making backgrounds because we need something to support our cupcake so that it's not just like a plain cupcake. And because the judges said so.
Okay, we got bread.
tell me, what is your group cooking up today?
I don't know. Cupcakes.
Cupcake. What are you putting on your cupcake? Nothing. They're just
Because
cupcakes.
he hates them. No.
Why?
Because I ate a gummy.
People eat the gummy worms, so now we have to split them apart.
The cupcakes are out of the oven and they look so good and so colorful. All the cupcakes are out of the oven.
I got icing.
Nice. I want to see you pipe one.
I've got a pencil.
You got a pencil? Great job, Julia. Yeah, pipe some. So pretty. Do you think you're gonna win?
Yes.
And why do you think you're gonna win?
Because I think I'm gonna win.
Wow, that is really perfect.
You need the white for the eyes. Nobody eats cupcakes.
You're doing a great job, Frosting. Good job, Clara.
Thank you.
Each group is going to get a tray to incorporate into their display. And I have 2 clementines. You must have one element from the clementine in your final display.
Yours looks so good, Josie.
I just wanted to make my own thing.
It looks so pretty. How are you feeling? You're excited for the cupcake?
Yes.
They smell good, right?
Yes.
How are you going to use it?
We're probably gonna sprinkle it on the frosting once it's done, like on the cupcakes on the yellow.
Oh, so orange sprinkles? Leela, you have to go wash your hands.
This is the panda.
Cute. I love the minions. Woo!
So this is Sebastian, this is Ariel, and this is some coral.
So anything that's not part of the display, you can move to the side.
Oh, I like those top.
Wait, what is the main cupcake? What is the main cupcakes in display?
Hands up! Hands up!
It is time for what you've all been waiting for. The judging. That is an excellent display of cupcakery. Ah, what wonderful craftsmanship here. Please, tell me about your display.
Well, we use chocolate chip and crushed like other chocolate. And then we had a bunch of sprinkles and just different icing to make it cool like glass. And the green is glass. It's like sky.
I
And
see.
okay, bunnies in the background.
I am super excited over here. All of the cupcakes look wonderful. We are just so excited to see and to taste up close. And I can't wait to get back to you.
I have no words. I'm channeling my inner Glenn.
The cupcakes are so perfect.
Go ahead.
Over there, I made Ariel, Sebastian,
Oh, this is this one.
and the lollipop is supposed to be coral. And
see.
the batter is vanilla with, it's vanilla confetti.
So SpongeBob, the white is the teeth, the red is the tie, and then the chocolate is the eye, and then pink is the background.
Beautiful.
And the pineapple is SpongeBob's house, and it's,
Off the bat, I just want to say, I know there wasn't a lot of icing, so I really like how you guys used the pineapple to not cover the whole thing.
We have a yellow vanilla cupcake along with we were trying to put a banana so it's just kind of yellow.
Zest of
Orange.
Ah, yes, I see.
loving the overalls.
Yes, the overalls really are
Those
beautiful.
Absolutely adorable.
Our theme is Tinkerbell. And so we did like one with Tinkerbell and then we did like other animals too because like why not? And I believe that our cupcakes, like the icing are turned like berry. Right?
And I made a cat.
I think that the oranges were like long leaves and
I'm loving the little sculpture pieces in there. Those sculpture things make it very neat.
I love the background that you made to this. It really adds a whole new element to your cupcake. Thank you so much.
Yellow.
Blue.
Cupcakes. Vibrant. Vibrant. Lovely. All right, let's hear it from the blue team. Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Creative.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
Very nice. Sprinkles. Sprinkles. Nice. All right, let's hear it for the yellow team.
Lemon.
Yeah, we have lemon.
Hold
Colorful. Lovely. Flavorful. Flavorful. Nice. Let's hear it for the green team.
For best cake, we have yellow. Yellow.
Okay, for best presentation, green. And for best interpretation of the team, blue. But we do have a best overall. So I need your full attention for this. You guys did such a great job. I almost ate all 3 of them. I'm not gonna eat your lunch now. Thank you very much. But they were all delicious and unique in their own ways. And you just guys worked together really well and we saw it. Good.
3, 2, 1, green! We enjoyed your taste and your presentation was amazing. Excellent job, Alex. We look forward to your steel cage match later.
Are you happy that you won? What? Are you happy that you won?